Alright, that's easy. The fundamental role of non-local connections and of probability in finding good eats in a trash can implies a new notion that affects the lives of cats directly. The classic style that was developed by the ancient cats of Cretaceous was to analyze the can into parts and arrange the edible parts according to casual law. Such a mechanical and deterministic theory is no longer possible, though. Today's waste can no longer be analyzed into isolated elements. So cats must now go to Plan B. Okay, this is the deal. You guys give me $40 billion worth of cat chow, and I do whatever the hell I want with it. Alright? Good. Just load it into my Learjet. I got it parked out front.